Welcome to DIY RV and Home Campers Life. My name is Greg. Today, I'm excited to share that we are close to 1,000 subscribers. Now, it's also very humbling. I started this channel to share my love of woodworking, of cooking, of repairing, and showing people how to do it, or at least how I do it, and give them some confidence in doing it for themselves. Showcasing different products. It's just an eclectic of different things relating to RV and home. And to see that there's close to 1,000 subscribers is just very humbling. So I want to thank you and hope that I continue bringing you some good videos and good content. As far as that's going right now, I've got a couple videos that I'm working on, a couple different projects. One of them is the electrical system upgrade in our RV, and here's the link to that series right there. Along with, I'm doing some repairs to the RV furnace. And both of those projects I'm kind of on hold on because I'm waiting for parts. So when I get those in, I'll be able to continue on those. And there's so many more projects and videos that I've got planned. I hope you stick around and subscribe and watch them as they come out. But something I want to do, I want to talk about our local RV dealers, our little guys. You know, the mom and pop shops, the ones that keep America turning. Right now in this day and age, what's going on and everything like that, they're struggling. They are struggling. Whether it's trying to get a hold of product or what they're having to pay to get the product, it's hard for them to survive. We have to do our part. Let's stop by, let's say hi, let's chat with them. You know, see if they've got what we're looking for. You know, sometimes it's going to cost a little bit more. You know, I don't have a problem with a little bit more. Sometimes it's a little too much. I might have to go somewhere else. But I'm going to do everything I can to make sure that that business is still there tomorrow when I need that 50-cent item or that dollar item, that $100 item that it's going to take me a couple days to get from somewhere else, but I need it today because I'm going to go somewhere tomorrow. You know, that's what that person's there for. That's what that shop's there for. So stop by, say hi, and support your local RV shops. And with that, I want to say thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. It's very exciting, very humbling to see that we're hitting 1,000 on our channel. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share the video. And until the next one, you have a wonderful day. Keep smiling.